Hi everyone, in this video we want to answer some questions on circle theorems. I hope you will find the information in this video valuable. If you are new to this channel, thank you for stopping by. And also if you are a returning viewer, thank you for tuning in again. Let me read the information regarding the questions which you want to answer. In the diagram, A, B, and C are points on the circumference of a circle center O. Angle AOC equals 3y, and angle ABC equals 4y plus 4. And our first question, write down an expression in terms of y for reflex angle AOC. And the second question, find the value of y. Okay, so let me repeat again. The first question, it says write down an expression in terms of y for reflex angle AOC. So reflex angle AOC is this one. Okay, so we want to express the reflex angle AOC in terms of y. Okay, so here at the center, we know that the sum of angles here right round is 360 degrees. It's one revolution. So for us to find the value of the reflex angle AOC, we simply say 360 degrees minus 3y. Okay? And if we factorize, we get 3. Factor 3 out, and then in the brackets we remain with 120 minus y degrees. Okay, so we use the fact that yes, 360 degrees right round, so we remove 3y from 360 degrees and we remain with the value of reflex angle AOC, which is equal to 3 multiplied by 120 minus y degrees. Okay, besides using the fact that angles at a point at 360 degrees to get the value of reflex angle AOC, we can also use the fact that the reflex angle AOC is an angle at the center, so it is 2 times an angle at the circumference. So this reflex angle AOC is 2 times this angle ABC at the circumference. So we can use that fact again to find the size of reflex angle AOC. So our reflex angle AOC is 2 times this angle at the circumference, which is 4y plus 4. If you multiply 2 by 4y, we get 8y. 2 multiplied by 4, we get 8. Okay. If we factorize this, it becomes, we factor out, our common factor is 8, so we factor out 8, and then we remain with y plus 1 degrees, okay, as the other value for the reflex angle AOC. So you can see that we have expressed the reflex angle AOC in 2 versions. It's either 3 multiplied by 120 minus y degrees, or 8 multiplied by y plus 1 degrees. Okay. Okay, so for the second expression of reflex angle AOC, which is 8 multiplied by y plus 1 degrees, we use the theorem that an angle at center equals 2 times angle at circumference. So reflex AOC is at the center, and this 4y plus 4 is at the circumference. So they've got a relationship of 1:2. Okay, let's move on to the second question, where we want to find the value of y. We want to find the value of the variable y. Okay, for us to find the value of y, we will take the 2 expressions in the previous question for the reflex angle AOC and use them to make an equation. So we are going to equate the 2 expressions for the reflex angle AOC, which we obtained in the previous question. So we are going to take this expression for reflex angle AOC and equate it to the alternative expression for reflex AOC, which is this one, okay? Okay, so we have formed an equation using the two expressions for the reflex angle AOC, which we obtained in the previous question, okay? So here we're going to expand these brackets so that we proceed with our working. So 3 multiplied by 120, we get 360. 3 multiplied by minus y, we get minus 3y equals 8 multiplied by y, we get 8y. 8 multiplied by 1, we get 8. Okay, so now we collect like terms. The number terms, I'm going to put them on the left side of the equal sign or of the equation, and the terms in y, I'm going to put them on the right side of the equation. So that's 360. This 8, when it crosses to the left hand side, gets a negative sign. So it's 360 minus 8 equals 8y plus this 3y minus 3y. When it crosses to this other side, when it is switched to the other side, it becomes positive 3y. Okay, so 360 minus 8, we get 352 equals 8y plus 3y, we get 11y. Then we divide both sides by the coefficient of y, which is 11 in this case, okay? So 352 divided by 11, we get 32. And 11 into 11y, we get y. So finally, therefore, the value of y equals 32 degrees. So guys, thank you for watching. Meet you in the next videos. And thank you once again for the returning viewers for your tremendous support. I hope the information in this video will be valuable to you. And also, I'm also about to wrap up this topic on circle theorems so that we can move on to other topics in mathematics. Okay, so thank you guys. If you are new to this channel, I kindly ask you to subscribe to the channel, because this helps me to keep on providing valuable videos to you like this one. And also it helps my channel to grow. You can subscribe, you can like the videos, and it's a great support in a great way. Okay, so see you in the next videos.